Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove horizontal scrolling on your Wix website. We all know how frustrating it can be to visit a website and have to scroll left and right to see all the content, especially on desktop screens. It disrupts the user experience, can confuse visitors, and can even make your website look less professional or unfinished. Fortunately, with Wix, fixing this issue is quite simple, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step so you can clean things up quickly. First, let's head over to the Wix website editor. If you haven't done so already, log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the editor section of the Wix site builder, which is where all the magic happens. This is your central hub for editing the look and feel of your website, including layout, spacing, and individual elements that might be causing display issues. Once you're in the Wix editor, determine which site you'd like to work on, especially if you have multiple sites under your account. This selection is crucial because we want to ensure any changes you make are applied to the correct website and not accidentally to a different project or store you're working on. Now, once you've selected your site, we need to identify the source of the horizontal scroll. More often than not, it's caused by elements that extend beyond the page's right boundary, such as a section or container that's been dragged too far. These sections may have images, text, or embedded elements that are wider than the visible page area, which forces the browser to create horizontal scrolling. To fix this, select the section or container which is causing the horizontal scrolling. Take a close look at each component on your page, as sometimes it might be an invisible container, a spacer, or an oversized image pushing your content's boundaries without being immediately obvious. After identifying the problematic section, click on it to select it. With the element selected, you'll see the settings or options available for that specific component. This is where we take action and fine-tune the layout to bring everything back within the page limits. What you want to do is either resize or, if necessary, delete the component causing the scroll. This will depend on whether the element can be resized to fit within the page boundaries, or if it's something unnecessary that can be removed altogether. Don't worry, this action is reversible. If you happen to delete the wrong thing, just use the undo button to restore it and try a different adjustment. Finally, to formally remove the section, look for the delete option within the options menu or toolbar. Clicking delete will remove the selected component, and with it, any excess width that was causing the horizontal scroll and throwing off your layout. After making these changes, preview your site to ensure the scrolling issue has been resolved. Be sure to check both desktop and mobile views. If you still see horizontal scrolling, revisit the editor to ensure all elements are within the page limits and properly aligned. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the horizontal scrolling issue on your Wix website, improving the overall user experience, making navigation smoother, and giving your site a much more professional appearance. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!